What's up, guys? I'm back for another how-to. This one is for a Jesus seal. If you don't know what that is, it's the seal that you have to use to pretty much make a recycler. You have to learn this seal. If not, you learn some fucking loophole, little trickery. But trust me, you have to learn this seal if you want to make a recycler. And who better to learn it from than me? I fucking love making, all I do is make recyclers pretty much. Here's a how to make a Jesus seal. Bear with me, because I still haven't got that didymium thing for the GoPro head thing. What the fuck? I gotta keep putting out videos or else I just won't. I'll just fucking stop and I won't put on anything. Sorry if it's not the best footage, but here's a how to make a Jesus seal. Jesus seal. Alright, let's start this. So we're gonna get your torch started, obviously. You're gonna need a flame. Wipe all your glass off before. Big tips. I've made some nice pieces, and then you go to the end and look at them, the inspect, and it's, whoa, covered in smudges. Alright, so get your punny. I'm gonna connect the punny to a blow tube. You could just have one long ass blow tube, but I like to have this for the set up a bridge later. So make sure it's on axis. It doesn't have to be because you're about to just bend it into a 180. But it doesn't hurt to like practice just having everything straight. Get your blow hose. And then this right here is like the most important part to bending it, is where you heat it up and how much you heat it up. Me personally, I like kind of corn cob it, so I'm going back and forth. I kind of had it heat up like a 2-inch area, and I'm gonna get it hot and just barely, it's not molten hot, it's fucking hot as shit. Like if I let go of it, it would bend right now, but I'm gonna get it that hot, and then you'll see in a few seconds. So right now, I think if I let go, it just fall right to the ground. So give me a few seconds here. And as I'm bending it, I'm puffing too. I didn't go all the way, because it wasn't hot enough, so the glass wasn't moving like I wanted it to. But look at this, if it happens like that, you just heat up the inside of it. Make sure you turn, get every angle, don't just heat up one side. Every angle, puff, and then boom. And that doesn't have to be perfect, this is just practice, it's a demo. So don't trip if it's ugly. And then you're gonna want to set up your bridge right here. Yeah, this is there's multiple ways to set up a bridge, but you can see how I do right here. Alright, now you get your tungsten pick. Push it down. And then heat it up. Make sure you don't heat up your blow hose. Like right there, I was heating up the the rod area, not the blow hose part. Because if you do, the whole blow hose will just flop over. I was pressing my blow tube on there a little more because it was slipping out. Alright, here's the fun part. The fucking, this is what happens. Alright, so you're gonna want to blow. No, don't push, don't put any pressure. Just blow, or not blow. Get it hot right there. Make it where it kind of like indents, so it thickens up. And give it a little puff. See that? Like a little blister almost. Now do that to the same side. Little puff. Alright, now they're super close to each other. So now I'm heating up both sides, going back and forth. And then push them together real quick. Not quick, you don't want to blow too hard, because you can easily blow a hole in one side and then you're just fucked. So now, they're together. There's a wall in between. You see that? Water will not go through that. There's a wall in between. So now you gotta get that hot and pop what do they call it? A mucus? I don't even know. They call it, I don't know, membrane. They call it a membrane. So you get that thing hot. Watch this. This is the magic part. Get one side hot, puff. Very gently too. Puff. You know, while the other side's hot, do the other side real quick. Do a soft puff. And you keep doing that and it should pop. The little membrane thing, what the fuck is it called? I don't know, that thing should pop in the middle. I think it already did right here. It did. So now, check this out. Now it's hollow. I'm sorry you really can't see that well because I don't have a didium thing for my head GoPro, but I'll show you again to give you a little, it's another little view at it. So heat up that. Don't blow anything at this moment. Just get it hot and then puff a little tiny bit. Same to the other side. Puff. And see how close they are? And then do each side, each side, each side. Back and forth. So now they're touching again. I got that wall scenario. And just keep working it. Sometimes the wall in the center of the glass will choose one side more than the other, so you gotta use gravity to your favor. Like if it's choosing the right side more, hold it up where the right side's falling down towards the side that doesn't have it. So you keep working it. And it can be, it's super ugly in the beginning. Like when they first connect, it's a very ugly seal. Like the working it is that's where all the magic happens. But look at that, after a little bit of work, you got two pretty little Jesus seals. But there you have it, Jesus seal, a little tutorial, demo thing. If you're not familiar with what that seal can possibly do, first of all, it's endless, you can do all kinds of shit with it, but like I said, you need that seal to do a recycler. So if you're interested in blowing glass, or if you're blowing glass and like, you're like, how the fuck does that work at all? That's the seal that goes up. It's those. Well, yeah, it's those. And then you see them on my my donuts. You see I use like the side drains a lot. Those are Jesus seals. What's up? So I'm editing this and I remembered I still have my first, this is what I learned on. This is my first Jesus seal I ever done in my whole fucking life. And you can see I failed on the second one. Working my way up. But yeah, dude, you can start from this and turn into a recycler, baby. So it's not all just for recyclers, uptakes, it's also for JDCs. But anyways, thank you for watching. Please click the notification bell also, because every time I post something, it'll just pop up. You won't have to have me annoy you through my Instagram like I always do. Like the video, obviously, because I need them fucking likes, baby. I need them likes. And comment. Comment anything else you want to see. Comment if it's fucking, if that's cool. If you're like, well, how the hell is that useful in glass? Just comment. Put them out, babies. Peace.